The existence of life in space, an enigma yet to be discovered. Space, the boundless emptiness surrounding us, is typically full of various enigmas. Whether there exists life outside space, aside from Earth, is a doubted question. Scientists, space scientists, and philosophers have been attempting to discover the answer to this question for centuries. Nevertheless, the existence of life on other planets or somewhere in space has become a matter of debate through some theories and research. The chances of life in space continued to go up when, in 1961, American astronomer Frank Drake formulated the Drake equation. He attempted to calculate the probability of life on other stars and planets in the galaxy. Through mathematical equations, he considered variables like the number of stars, the existence of habitable zones, and the rate of advancement of life. The equation caused enormous excitement over the possibility of life in space. The search for life beyond the Earth is now directly connected with asteroids and exoplanets. Exoplanets, planets orbiting other suns, have been the focus of intense research. The Kepler telescope discovered over 1,000 exoplanets in 2015, some of which can possibly have life conditions, such as on Earth. These exoplanets are extremely distant from Earth, but their temperature, water, and atmosphere could be life permitting. One of the main questions is, if life exists out there in space, what will it be like? Although Earth's recipe has resulted in one special setting for life, other worlds may have life-giving circumstances as well, but in a life very different from what we know. In order to discover the answer, scientists are undertaking deep space missions. Rovers are being dispatched to venture to Mars to search for signs of life. NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars in 2021, continuing the search for life. No direct proof has been found, but scientists believe that there was water on Mars billions of years ago that could have supported life. Another hypothesis is panspermia, the theory that life forms or microorganisms would have arrived from space. That theory is still held by scientists. If the theory holds water, it would make the occurrence of life other places in the universe more likely. So, whether life exists in space or not is still unknown. But scientists are always looking and discovering new facts. The more we go deep into space, the more we realize that life can be on other planets, or perhaps there are some other forms of life. The more our curiosity about space grows, the more new paths will be found, and one day we may discover those unknown worlds where life exists. We know that in the vastness of space, we are unable to find others like us. But what do we truly know? Maybe somewhere, in some unknown place, life is growing under the influence of cosmic forces. Today, we have just begun our search, but perhaps a journey of thousands of years awaits us. Our imagination may not be enough to understand what lies beyond. Maybe, far beyond our Earth, on some strange planet, star, or deep in the endless sky, another civilization is waiting for us. But what would their way of life be like? What is their purpose of existence? And if one day we finally make contact with them, how will it change us and the universe? These questions do not just spark curiosity, they push us to think deeper about the mysteries of life and the cosmos.